everyone, my name is Anna and welcome to basically our trip down the Pacific Northwest. So me and my boyfriend Parker took this trip it was a 10-day trip, May 10th through the 20th. Essentially when we started, we flew into Spokane. Parker's brother actually lives there, so we had family there. And we really just wanted to stop in and say hi and see the city. It's a beautiful city. If you've never heard of Spokane, I would highly recommend it. Absolutely beautiful. Like waterfalls, mountains, you name it. Like, it was beautiful. It was a great town. And then we drove over to Seattle. It was about a 3-hour drive. We drove over to Seattle. And then the next night we spent the night in Union, Washington. And that was where we got an Airbnb, and the next day we started our hike to Staircase in the Olympic National Park. So from there we spent 2 days there, I would say. We spent one day on that side of Olympic, and then we drove over to the coast of Washington. And if you're not familiar, I'll kind of like put a map of like what we kind of did. I'll put it right here. So we drove over to the coast of Washington and we stayed there for about a night, and then we saw this really cool town called Seabrook, and that was fantastic. That's in the video. It looked fake. You'll hear me try to explain it, but this town, every single building was exactly the same, and every single like building was just perfect, and we saw no people there. Like no residents that lived in this town were there, which was really weird. And so then after that we started our drive toward down the Pacific Highway. So we started basically in one day, drove through Oregon. We stopped in Astoria, stopped in Seaside, and we began our drive to the Redwood Forest. From the Redwood Forest we went to Redding, California. From Redding we went to Yosemite National Park. We spent 2 days in Yosemite and it was absolutely divine. That's actually in the second video. But from Yosemite went to San Francisco and spent about a day and a half, 2 days in San Francisco and flew out of San Francisco. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.
Say wow.
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 Hi.
This is making me dizzy. Oh my god, it's moving.
They're like 80.
That's what I got.
You're not interrupting if it's rough.
trees. Wow. I'm documenting this for video evidence. We are in a fake town. Parker,
I don't know.
your statement.
I have none.
This is a fake.
We don't know if this is real or
This is a
not.
fake. All of the signs say it was built in 2011, 2012. All of these were built last week. Everything's closed.
Nothing's real.
Nothing's real. Look, they're still unpacking boxes. That's the sheriff office. Wait. I have video evidence if it disappears tomorrow. Person anywhere to
No one to say.
anywhere.
I can smell salt. I smell the ocean.
I smell fire. Chickens. Ducks. Can we go in here? For your safety, do not enter the barn. Seabrook. It's owned by Seabrook. Look at all the chickens. Ducks. Hello. I haven't spoken yet on this trip, but we are currently in an Airbnb. It's kind of not that great cleanliness wise. So, I mean, like the bed, I checked all over the bed. Looks very clean, but the rest of the house, a little iffy. So I'm sitting on this couch, in a hoodie and long pants and socks, and yeah, we're having a great time though. We had such a busy day. We were up so early, and we have so much to do tomorrow, and every day is just so much. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update because I haven't spoken at all during this trip. And that's about it. Okay.
I bet they could like bring.
Picture? Salmon. Wow.
Dude, I'd live in Oregon.